What if Insta360 just quietly confirmed one of the biggest camera launches of 2026 and almost nobody noticed? What if the tiniest camera Insta360 has ever made is about to get a sequel that completely redefines what a wearable action cam can do? Because right now, on Insta360's official website, there is a live countdown ticking down to April 15th with 5 words sitting above it. Gear up for a new legend. And based on everything we know about the Go Ultra lineup and where Insta360 is heading in 2026, all signs are pointing to the Go Ultra 2. In this video, we're breaking down what the original Go Ultra brought to the table, what we expect the Go Ultra 2 to upgrade, and why this tiny camera might be one of the most exciting releases of the year. Trust me, stick around, because the last part is where it really gets interesting. Before we talk about what's coming, let's quickly understand what Insta360 built with the first Go Ultra, because it set a seriously high bar. The Go Ultra launched with a 1 in 1.28-inch sensor, a 5nm AI chip, and 4K at 60 FPS video capture, all packed into a body weighing just 53 grams. Insta360's biggest workflow change was that video finally recorded directly to a micro SD card inside the camera itself, making file transfers faster and more reliable for busy creators. On its own, the camera offered 70 minutes of battery life and could recharge from 0 to 80% in just 12 minutes. And with the Action Pod attached, that runtime stretched to 200 minutes. For a camera the size of an Oreo cookie, that was genuinely impressive. So the Go Ultra 2 is walking into the room with a lot to live up to. Here's where the debate gets juicy. The original Go Ultra was great, but the community had a few clear complaints. Low light performance, while improved over the Go 3S, still had room to grow. The 156-degree field of view was wider, but creators were asking for even more flexibility in focal options. Insta360 did introduce a snap-on micro-lens kit with the Go Ultra, offering close-up and bokeh options, but for a Go Ultra 2, you would expect those creative capabilities to be baked in deeper. Stabilization has always been a strength of the Go lineup, but with DJI pushing hard on rock-steady improvements and GoPro upgrading its own systems, Insta360 will need to push flow state to its next level to stay on top. So what could the Go Ultra 2 actually bring? Based on the trajectory of the lineup and where the action camera market is heading right now, a few things feel almost certain. A bigger or more efficient sensor is the most obvious upgrade. The 1 in 1.28-inch chip was already a jump, but pushing closer to a true 1-inch sensor would be a statement move. Smarter AI processing is another area where Insta360 has been investing heavily, so expect improved automatic scene detection, better color science, and possibly real-time noise reduction for low-light shooting. The Go Ultra already ran on a 5nm chipset, so a newer generation chip could unlock higher bit rates and even smoother slow-motion options beyond what the original offered. And given how popular the modular accessory system has become, the Go Ultra 2 could expand that ecosystem even further. Now here is something worth talking about. Insta360 does not put a live countdown with the words "New Legend" on their homepage for just anything. The April 15th reveal is scheduled for 8 a.m. EDT, which tells you this is a global launch moment, not a quiet regional rollout. The action camera space in 2026 is more competitive than it has been ever, with DJI, GoPro, and Insta360 all pushing flagship releases within months of each other. Dropping the Go Ultra 2 right now, before GoPro Hero 14 and DJI Osmo Action 7 fully dominate the conversation, is a smart and calculated move. Insta360 wants to own the spring window, and honestly, based on what the original Go Ultra delivered, they might just pull it off. So, here is the big question. Can the Go Ultra 2 take everything that made the original great, the wearable design, the magnetic system, the insane portability, and push image quality into territory that finally silences the critics? If Insta360 nails the sensor, the stabilization, and the AI features, this could be the tiny camera that punches way above its weight class in 2026. So, what upgrades are you hoping to see in the Go Ultra 2? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next one.